what's up and welcome back. It's been a hot minute since I have made a YouTube video, and honestly you guys, I have missed you so much. I have really missed filming YouTube videos, and I did not mean to take as long of a break as I did, but the reason why I haven't been making YouTube videos is not because like I didn't want to, it's because my camera broke, like really tragic. I put it on this table actually, it was in the winter, and I put my camera down, I was vlogging, put my scarf on top, went to grab my scarf to put it away, forgot my camera was under it, ripped it off, the camera went flying, smashed on the floor. Super tragic, like really unfortunate. So it's just been like quite some time waiting for the camera to get fixed. If you guys don't follow me on Instagram, make sure you're following me over there because I post pretty much daily on Instagram. So I will put my Instagram on the screen, so make sure you follow me over there. And while we're at it, you may as well follow me on TikTok as well. This week I finally have a week that's like super chill, so I feel like I can do a little week in my life for you guys. But most weeks have been so busy lately. I've been getting some clips here and there of what I've been up to lately, so I'm gonna insert that here. That's a little bit of what I've been up to lately. Also, today's video is in partnership with the app Knock Knock, and I'm so excited to be working with them. They are a new app, and they are essentially like your go-to app for anything that you need fixing around your home or apartment. I'm so excited because I feel like this is something that I have been needing for so long. When they reached out to me, I was like, oh my god, this is actually perfect because I have a couple things that I need to get fixed around my apartment, but we will get to that in a little bit. Anyway, so I'm going to drink my coffee and get some work done. Okay, so this is everything we got. I tried to organize it, but it's kind of like all over the place, but I'll quickly show you. We did peppers, tomatoes, bananas, 2 things of tofu, some lettuce, some vegan Parmesan cheese for pasta, 2 pasta sauces, oat milk. These are just like vegan, what are these? Like fake meat things. Some beets, some gnocchi, a lime. This, we love to make paella. It's like our new favorite thing. Also, don't mind my nails. I have to get them done tomorrow. They're so bad. Mushrooms, cucumber, mango, zucchini, broccoli, basil, arugula, onions, and then we're obsessed with this stuff from Farm Boy. It is their spicy edamame kale dip. This shit is so good. It's literally amazing. And then we got some tabbouleh. This is also so good. So yeah, this is everything that we got for the week. So I'm gonna put this stuff away. Hi guys, good morning. It is currently Sunday morning, and we are picking up the vlog again. Honestly, this weekend was so busy. I really tried to vlog as much as I can, but I'm still like getting back into the vlogging mode, so I kind of forgot to vlog. But this weekend it was a cute weekend. We went out on Friday with our friends. We went out to the Ossington area. Ossington is super cute if you are familiar with Toronto. There's just like a lot of cute restaurants and bars, so we just kind of like bar hopped in Ossington. So yeah, this weekend was super fun, but it is currently Sunday, and Sunday is the day that I like to try to like get my shit together. So we are going to clean the apartment. We're going to just kind of do like a little bit of spring cleaning today. And then tonight I have an event. So I'm gonna meet up with my friends a little bit later tonight, and we're gonna head to this event. So I will bring you guys along for that. It's gonna be cute. It'll be a cute little Sunday. So as I mentioned, this video is in partnership with Knock Knock, which is a really cool app. So basically this is an app where if you have any issues with your home home or apartment, Knock Knock can help you with that. So if you need any sort of repair, if anything breaks in your apartment, I know we have had a couple issues with things breaking in our apartment, and it can always feel kind of like complicated and intimidating to find like the proper repair person for the job. Knock Knock makes it so easy. It's just like a one-stop shop for anything you could possibly need, anything that goes wrong in your apartment or home. This app has got you covered. There's over 1,000 plus vetted professionals on the app who are in your area who can help you out with whatever you need. And they have cleaning, they have snow removal, they have any sort of repair like electrical, plumbing, appliances. So they have everything you need on there. So I just went ahead and I booked a service because we had to get our kitchen sink faucet fixed because it makes like a really loud noise when you turn it on. So we need to get that fixed. So I went ahead and I made an appointment. It was super easy and seamless. So yeah, it was super easy. So if you guys want to check out the Knock Knock app, I have a coupon code down below for you guys. So make sure you check that out. And I will have more information on it down below. But thank you so much again to Knock Knock for working with me on today's video. Okay, so we're still kind of cleaning the apartment, but I've been wanting to do this for a little bit now. I want to switch out the prints in our living room with the ones in the bedroom. I just feel like it's gonna look better. So these are the ones we currently have in the living room, and I think they're super pretty, but I feel like they're more of a bedroom vibe. I don't know, I just want to like switch it out and put these in the bedroom. And then I'm obsessed with this print right here. This is probably like my favorite print ever. So I think I want to put this one in the living room and the one in the front hallway. Okay, we just put these prints up. I feel like they are just so much better. They just match my vibe a lot more for the living room. We just got this little stone thingy from EQ3 recently. I just have these two little candles in here because I honestly don't know what else to put in here. And then we also just got these two new vases from EQ3. But yeah, just with like the new pieces, I feel like these just match so much more. I'm currently just in my room planning out my outfit for tonight, getting ready for the event. I still have to do my hair. Oh, also we got dinner. I completely forgot to vlog. I'm still trying to get back into the swing of vlogging. I just like keep forgetting to pull my camera out. So we're working on it. But I will show you guys what I'm thinking for my outfit tonight. So the dress code is all black. I have this top. Well, it's black and chrome. I don't really have anything chrome yet. I really need to get some chrome because I know it's like really having a moment right now, but this is like the closest thing I have to chrome is this silver kind of like sparkly, there's like fluff on it, but just this like silver sparkly purse. And then this top, it's from Pepper Mayo and it kind of has sparkles in it. And then I have this faux leather blazer from J. Ing and this little skirt here from Zara. So it's quite a bit later now. It's like 7 o'clock. Damn, oh my god. Okay, I gotta run. But I got some work done. I shot some content. I just touched up my makeup. I just got this new lipstick in from MAC. I forget what it's called, but I'm gonna show you guys later because this like might be the best lipstick I've ever used. I'm not being dramatic. It just applied so nicely. Like the formula was so good and so moisturizing, and I'm just like obsessed, and I want this lipstick in every color now because it's just like amazing. But I don't have time because I gotta run.